In the peaceful village of Greenfield, nestled between rolling hills and dense forests, there lived a man named Thomas. Thomas was a solitary figure, residing in a quaint cottage at the edge of the village. He spent his days tending to his garden, reading books, and taking long walks through the countryside. Despite the natural beauty that surrounded him, Thomas often felt a deep sense of loneliness. Thomas had lived alone for many years, ever since the passing of his beloved wife, Sarah. While he cherished the memories they had shared, the emptiness in his heart remained. He longed for companionship, someone to share his joys and sorrows, his hopes and dreams. One crisp autumn morning, while wandering through the woods near his cottage, Thomas stumbled upon a wounded bird. Its wing was tangled in a thorny bush, and it chirped feebly in distress. Moved by compassion, Thomas carefully freed the bird and cradled it gently in his hands. Bringing the bird back to his cottage, Thomas fashioned a small nest from twigs and leaves, placing it by the window where the warm sunlight streamed in. He tended to the bird's injuries, feeding it and keeping it safe from harm. As days turned into weeks, the bird, whom Thomas named Robin, grew stronger under his care. It would flutter around the cottage, perching on Thomas' shoulder as he worked in the garden or read by the fire. With Robin by his side, Thomas found solace in the company of this small, feathered friend. Together, Thomas and Robin explored the countryside, their bond deepening with each passing day. They ventured into the forest, where Thomas shared stories of his travels and Robin listened intently, chirping in response. They wandered through meadows ablaze with wildflowers, their laughter mingling with the rustle of the breeze. Through their adventures, Thomas learned to appreciate the simple pleasures of life once again. He discovered that companionship could come in unexpected forms and that even the smallest of creatures could fill the void in his heart. As the seasons changed, Thomas and Robin encountered other animals in their travels. They met a wise old owl perched high in a gnarled oak tree, who shared tales of wisdom and ancient lore. They befriended a playful squirrel who darted among the branches, collecting acorns and sharing them with Thomas and Robin alike. And they encountered a gentle deer grazing in a sun-dappled glade, its eyes reflecting the serenity of the forest. With each encounter, Thomas' loneliness diminished, replaced by a sense of belonging and connection to the natural world around him. He realized that he was never truly alone as long as he had Robin by his side. Years passed, and Thomas and Robin grew old together, their bond unbreakable. They shared many more adventures, their friendship deepening with each passing season. And though Thomas' cottage remained small, his heart was full,